This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to jam together by playing some melodies written in tablature. And when I say jam together, I mean you, me, and the band. So it's going to be super fun playing these melodies right along with the accompaniment band parts that have been created for this video. This video does accompany the Tablature book from my method book series. In that book, we'll be starting on page 54. We'll be on pages 54, 55, 56, and 57. We're going to be playing songs 73, 74, 75, and 76, which is going to be super great. Now, right now in the lesson series, we're really focused on playing melodies that happen on the top 4 strings of the guitar and that stay within the first 4 frets of the guitar, in first position or open position, as we do use the open strings as well. Before we play these melodies, I'm going to take us through a little exercise to kind of get warmed up. In the last video, we played some exercises. We started getting going with reading on the lower strings of the guitar. So most of the lesson series up to this point, our focus has been on reading on the treble strings, or the top 3 strings of the guitar. As of that last video, we're starting to work on the lower strings as well. Right now, the melodies that we're reading are staying on the top 4 strings of the guitar. But I'm going to warm us up with a little exercise that will help us start to get comfortable playing on the lower strings, which we haven't done much of. So I did an exercise in the last video. I'm going to do a different one in this video to give us some different things that you can use at home to warm up and sort of master how your fingers are working as you're playing these melodies, these single lines on the guitar. Okay, so the exercise that we're going to use this time, we're going to start on the low 6th string. Of course, our index finger goes in that 1st fret, middle in the 2nd, ring in the 3rd, and pinky in the 4th. And we're just going to go every other finger. So we're going to start with our index, then go to our ring, go to our middle, go to our pinky, and then play the open string. So 1, 3, 2, 4, open. Then we'll go up to the next string and do the same thing. So just like that. So we go 1, 2, ready, and next string, next string, next string, next string, next string. And you can come back down if you'd like to. I'm not going to take the time to do it here in the video, but you can just go back and forth. Low strings to high strings to low strings. And you can work at a different tempo. So if you get comfortable at that tempo, you can try and get it going faster. But let's do one in reverse now. So we did 1, 3, 2, 4, and by 1, 2, 3, 1, I'm using the fingers numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, index, middle, ring, pinky when I use that number combination. So we'll go 4, 2, 3, 1, open. So 4, 3, 2, 1, open, which goes pinky, middle, ring, index, and then open. So we go ready, and next string, next string, next string, next string, next string. So, and you can go back down if you'd like to. Okay, so that's a great little warm-up exercise, something you can work on without me in the video, but you can work on that to help get your fingers comfortable with playing these lower strings, work on that coordination. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and jam together on these 4 songs that we're doing in this video. Each one, of course, will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So start at that slower tempo, play along with me. If there's places that you can't quite get happening right along with the video, then of course, as I've often mentioned, you want to pause that video, work on those spots, get them down, and then try playing with the video again. If we just trip or fumble through places in a melody, we don't develop our skill as accurately, as well, as fast. It's just better to stop, work on that spot, and then resume playing right along with the video, or back up and play the whole song again. So it's going to be fun. We'll start with number 73, and we'll just go through in order: 73, 74, 75, and 76. Let's jam together on these melodies. Okay, I hope you're having fun with this. As we continue through the lesson series, we'll keep making our way through the tablature book. Right now, in the next few videos, we'll be playing some more melodies that use the top 4 strings of the guitar right there in first position. It's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.